The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new smartphone in Vietnam called Redmi 13x. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 13x features a tall 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 550 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi 13x features a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 108-megapixel main camera, with f1.75 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5030 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.17 mm, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 13x has been priced in Vietnam for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,290,000 Vietnamese dong, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 4,690,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black, blue, and silk gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 13x smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.